Doesn't mean you are granted money. Only fee screenplays get picked. Do you think the other 1,000 that didn't get picked got nothing? I would not waste your time if I thought this was a waste of time. Wake up and smell the roses. I already get paid for script writing and video editing and do it for a living. Holy heck, dude, I don't even know what to think from that last paragraph that the choosing beggar sent. Like, obviously he can't write a novel. He can't even write a paragraph in response to somebody about paying them for work. My guess is that this dude has like a page of bullet points of what he wants his story to be about, and he wants this dude to adapt it into a 200-page novel for free. Yeah, good luck with that, dude.
Is it still available?
Yes, it's still for sale.
I will buy for $200.
I appreciate your interest, but that's just way too low for me, especially for a 6-month-old product that is in great condition. It doesn't seem like a fair price to me, then again, it's just my opinion. Regardless, I appreciate your interest. Have a good day.
Oh, because it's my birthday, that's why.
Oh, well, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy yourself.
Can you sell it to me for $200 for my birthday, and I will buy it?
My birthday is on the 12th. My birthday is now closer than your birthday since your next birthday is until next year. So because it's my birthday, can you buy it for me for $600? You know, because it's my birthday in a couple days.
$300.
But dude, seriously, it's my birthday. Come on, don't be like that. $600 and karma will get you back soon.
Okay.
Oh, this is just mwah. Oh my god, I love it. Somebody finally using beggar logic on a choosing beggar. Can we just establish something here? Birthdays are absolutely meaningless. Like, they might mean something to your friends and family, the people in your life that care about you, but outside of that, strangers do not give a shit that it's your birthday. They're not gonna give you a discount or anything for free just because it was the day you were born. It's a meaningless day to them. I am still looking for the donation of an M4A1 Sherman, an M41 Walker Bulldog, an M18 Hellcat, or other similar light to medium duty tank for a static display in the Veterans War Memorial Park in this place for American Legion Post 666. Please help me help them, your comrades in arms. As everyone told you last time, contact Dashcam. No private owner is just going to donate a tank worth hundreds of thousands of dollars so it can sit outside and rust away. Yeah, this guy contacted my company for one, and I've told you multiple times to contact Dashcam. There's no goodwill giving away tanks just because. Damn, how many years has it been and you still don't get it? No, you don't get it, and I'm sorry, I've tried literally everyone. I would think that you would be able to help your comrades in arms. I guess not. Help them how? By pulling a tank out of his back pocket? Look, I can use all caps too. Yeah, I get it. You want to help out your comrades in arms, like the people from the American Legion, our veterans and stuff. I think everybody can get behind that and want to support a cause like that. But a tank, having a tank just to display out in front of the American Legion that's worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, kind of a strange way to do that. I mean, yeah, everybody wants to look at a tank. Tanks are cool as shit. But couldn't you donate hundreds of thousands of dollars to, like, homeless veterans instead or something like that? Alright, this is just extremely poorly written, so please just bear with me here. I hate Lowe's. Stupid. Return to furnace filter to get right size. Give me store credit. Show ID. Go get right one. Make me show ID again. Stupid. 5 minutes between transactions. Never shop in there again. No common sense. Oh no, how did you survive such a horrific experience? Showing your ID twice in 5 minutes to make a return without a receipt. You brave soul. Troll. I don't think you know what a troll is. The issue is that you're bashing a business for following their own return policy. This is a rant page. I'm ranting. I don't need anyone to defend against my post. This is what this page is for. You don't know the day or the week I've had, so mind your own business. You're attempting to negatively impact a business that did nothing wrong. You having a hard day isn't Lowe's fault. You know, I do understand that this is a rant page, and maybe it was unnecessary for this guy to white knight for Lowe's in this situation, but it is an unnecessary complaint. This dude should have saved his fucking receipts. You know, save your receipts, guys. A lot of companies will just tell you to go fuck yourself if you don't bring proof of purchase with you to the store. He's lucky there was a system in place where he could actually return his item. Hi, can you help me with my assignment in programming? Sure, what do you need? Since it's an assignment, don't expect me to give you the full answer. But it's my semi-final. I got into university about 5 days ago. I can't guarantee that I can help you, but what's your question? This is my assignment. Write a program in C to display the cube of the numbers up to the given integers. Oh, this is a pretty easy one. I'm typing it on my phone, can't test it. I'm not 100% that's what you need, but it's a good start. He gives the code. This is my assignment. Can you solve this one? Write a program in C